Now let's proceed to the characters of the Spiderwick. So our main character is Jared Grace, and the supporting characters are Simon Grace, Mallory Grace, Arthur Spiderwick, and Lucinda Spiderwick. Now here is Jared Grace. So Jared Grace, the adventurous and curious middle child who discovers the field guide. He often gets into trouble but is brave and determined. So ganun dili man Spiderwick yung apelyido, so we will know it later on. And the author of the field guide, so ganun gitawag siya adventure of the Chronicles of Spiderwick or the Spiderwick Chronicles. Now let's proceed to Simon Grace. Simon Grace is Jared's twin brother who loves animals, prefers peace over conflict. He often acts as the voice of reason. So si Jared Grace is an adventurous and curious middle child, while si Simon Grace is who loves animal, prefer peace over conflict. So kabaliktaran sila, no? Naturally, twins sila pero kabaliktaran sila traits, but they often get along. Now we have Mallory Grace, the oldest sibling among the three, skilled in fencing and very protective of her brothers. She is strong, brave, and quick-witted. Now, ganun gitawag man siya Spiderwick. So, Arthur Spiderwick is the author of the Spiderwick Field's Guide to the Fantastical World Around You. So, siya ang author sa book na nakita ni Jared Grace na padulong siya, murag way siya to the fantastical world around you. His research on fairies put him in danger. So, nahitabo niya kay tungod sa iyang research kay murag ni disappear bitaw siya, murag ni nawala siya diri sa world kay tungod kay kanang namagot kay murag movie magud na ato siya nahitabo sa iyahan na murag ikuha siya murag o katong sa wind bago ito nahimo siya og wind. Now, here is Lucinda Spiderwick. So, nagtigulang na siya ginalat sa iyang father na si Arthur Spiderwick. So, Arthur's daughter, who warns the Grace children about the dangers of the fairy world. So, siya ang gawarn na dangerous tong guide na nakitaan ni Jared Grace. Now, we also have magical creatures and villains. First is a Thimblepack, a small brownie-like creature who lives in the Spiderwick estate. He is friendly but can turn mischievous when angry. Next, we had a Red Cap. A Red Cap is a violent goblin who serves Molgrath. So, the Red Cap is the sidekick of the Molgrath. Siya ang murag alalay bitaw sa Molgrath sa mga wicked na mga plans nila. Next is the Hogsquill, a mischievous goblin who helps the Grace siblings. He gives Jared the ability to see fairies without using the Sight Stone. So ang Sight Stone, for your information, kay katutong ginaana bitaw ni Jared Grace para makita niya mga fairies o mga magical creatures around sa iyaha. So, ang Hogsquill kay murag siya ang murag buutan din na magical creature ang tabang sa Grace siblings na kami itong confirm nila ang adventure. Now, let's move on to the summary of the Spiderwick Chronicles. So, the Spiderwick Chronicles follows siblings Jared, Simon, and Mallory Grace, who move into the old Spiderwick state and discover a hidden world of magical creatures. Jared finds Arthur Spiderwick's Field Guide, a book that reveals the secret of fairies, goblins, and other mystical beings. However, their discovery attracts the evil ogre Molgrath, who wants the book's knowledge for himself. And as the siblings navigate dangerous encounters with goblins, trolls, and other creatures, they work together to protect the field guide and stop Molgrath. Using their wits and courage, They ultimately defeat him and restore balance to the magical world, realizing that once they've seen to unseen, life will never be the same. So without ang Jared's sibling without power kay murag na overcome niya po nila ang villains just because of their wit and courage. So mao na ang main factor na naka-defeat ka Mulgaret kasi Mulgaret kay easy to easy to fool, easy to kanang imuhas misguide ni Mulgaret. So mo nagigamit nila to as a weapon against the evil creatures, and that will be all my part. Thank you for listening.